Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Padhenge to Badhenge in Math Mastery. We are in day 5 and continued with the partnership question answers and ratio and proportion. I have decided that I'll come and solve some live question and answer which I'm presenting this one in the live session for you guys. Let's continue with day 5. Okay. So what is that? I have solved one for one. A and B share profit in the ratio of 5:4. A invested 40,000 for 12 months. B invested for 10 months. Finds B investment. So these are very simple. Step 1 is profit into capital into time. Okay, this we need to remember. A invested 40,000 into 12. 40,000 is the investment, 12 is a month. B is equal to X into 10. We don't know what the B has invested, so X into 10. The ratio is 5:4. So step 2 will 40,000 into 12 by 10x is equal to 5/4. After cross multiply, this goes 50 and this goes 4 4 is 16. Okay, so 3 lakh for 16 into 4 30. 19,20,000 divided by 50, and if you divide that, it's 38,400. Simple, it is like that. 10 goes here. Okay, 5 8 is 40, and then we cross multiply, we'll get 38,400. Practice. My only thing is practice. Our next question is, A starts with 60,000 investment, B joined that, okay, after 4 months with 80,000. Profit is 50,000. Find B share. There are a lot of things we need to do in this question. So step 1 is, this will be a step 1. This will be step 2. 60,000 into 12, okay, for year. B is 80,000 into 12. Ratio, okay, is 9/8. If you want to learn how these all things comes, okay, you need to follow my previous videos and go and see how I've taken out the ratio. Step 2, B share, okay, 8/17. Okay, this is B joins 4 months with 80,000. We have to find profit of B share. 8/17 into 51,000 in the invested. Okay, if you just cross multiply, then the answer is 24,000. So how I've solved this? This is all in a basic and in hardly 3 to 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, maximum you can spend 1 minute if you keep on practicing. Our next question is, A, B, C invested in the ratio of 2:3:5 for the same time. Profit is 90,000. Find the share of each. What is that? A, B, C and all. I forgot to write. Okay, we have to find the share of C. So what is that? Ratio. Ratio we have total is 2:3:5. Total will be 10. These all plus minus ratio and I've solved in my previous question how to take it out. Okay, if you want to learn, just refer back. Step 2 is 5/10. 5/10 into 90,000. That is, this goes 5 9 45. 45 is the answer, which is C's share. A and B is invested. Okay, so you got the ratio, you have got the time, you have got the profit, you have to find C share. Sometimes you'll get B share, we have to find it. The pattern is same, the answer will be similar. Okay, so this is what happens once you make practice. Guys, there are some tips which I'm giving which we need to follow when we calculate the capital into time, simplify the ratio, distribute profit and loss accordingly. Things which we need to remember when we are doing a practice and all. Okay, so when you do practice makes a man perfect. I'm telling, okay, practice formulas and all. So this is all for day 5. I've continued and I'm closing this chapter for day 5 in ratio and proportion. We'll continue for day 6 in the next session. Till then, goodbye, and do press the bell icon to receive such videos on Maths Mastery. Padhenge. Bye bye.